Hey students, very good afternoon. So, students, today we are going to start with an activity, that is activity 1, to determine the nature of the given solution, basic, acidic or neutral, by using litmus paper. So today we are going to determine the nature of a given solution, whether it is basic, acidic or neutral, by using a litmus paper. Okay. So things needed are the litmus paper stripe, blue litmus paper stripes, a dropper, test tube, lemon juice solution, aerated drink, common salt solutions, a sugar solution, washing soda solution, lime water, shampoo solution, baking soda solution, hydrochloric acid solution and a nitric acid solution. So all these things are required in order to perform this activity. So the method is, so aerated drink are like the cold drinks and all. Okay, so put a drop of lemon juice on the strip of blue litmus paper, number 1. Number 2, red litmus paper with the help of a dropper. So you have to put a drop of lemon juice first at the first at the blue litmus paper and secondly on the red litmus paper with the help of a dropper. Then you have to perform the same activity with the given solution and record your observation. So observation is change in color of the litmus paper and nature of the given solution. So number 1 is test solution is the lemon juice, and the effect on the red litmus paper is no change. So whenever you put the drops of lemon juice on the red litmus paper, there will be no change in color. But in case of blue litmus paper also, it changes to red color. Okay, so whenever you put the lemon juice in red litmus paper, it will show no changes. But in case of blue litmus paper, it will turn into red color. Okay, so the inference is acidic solution. So this will infer into a acidic solution. From there we come to know that lemon juice is a acidic solution. So number 2 is aerated drink, and if we put this few drops of aerated drink into red litmus paper, there will be no change in color. But if we put in blue litmus paper, there will be changes in color. That means the blue litmus paper will change into red color. Okay, and inference is again a acidic solution. So it is acid. So third one is a common salt solution. So if we put few drops of common salt solution on the red litmus paper, no change in color. There will be no change in color. And in case of blue litmus paper also, there is no change in color. So it is a neutral solution. So common salt solution is a neutral solution. So number 4 is a sugar solution. So if we put a few drops of sugar solution on the red litmus paper, there will be no change in color, and in blue also there will be no change in color. So it is a neutral solution. So common salt and a sugar salt solution is a neutral solution. Okay, neither acidic nor basic, it is a neutral solution. But lemon juice and aerated drinks, they are acidic solution, because the blue litmus paper changes into the red color. Okay, so in case of number 5, that is washing soda solution. In washing soda solution, if we put few drop of washing soda solution in red litmus paper, then it will change to blue color. Okay, and if we put the same solution in blue litmus paper, there will be no change in color. That's why it's a basic solution. Okay, and in case of lime water, if we put few drop of lime water on a red litmus paper, it will change into blue color. Okay, so the red litmus paper will change into blue color, and the blue litmus paper will show no changes in color. Therefore it is a basic solution. Okay, that means the red is becoming blue, that's why it's a basic solution. Okay, The blue is not changing color. If the blue have changed into red, then it will be a acidic solution. Okay, since the red is changing color into blue, so it is a basic solution. So number 7 is a shampoo solution. So few drops of shampoo solution will change the red litmus paper. Sorry, it will not change its color, but it will change to red color. The blue litmus paper will change to red color. So it is also a acidic solution. So shampoo solution is also acidic solution because it is changing the blue litmus paper into the red color. Okay. So baking soda solution. In case of baking soda solution, the red litmus paper will change into blue color. So basically it will be a basic solution since the red color is changing into blue color. Okay. And there will be no change in blue litmus paper. So number 9 is hydrochloric acid solution, HCl solution. A few drops of HCl solution will show no change in case of red litmus paper, but it will change its color in case of blue litmus paper. It will turn into red color. Okay, so it is known as a acidic solution. So hydrochloric acid is also a acidic solution. So nitric acid solution. Nitric acid also changes the blue litmus paper into red color, and it will have no effect on the red litmus paper. Okay, so since it's changing the blue litmus paper into red color, then it is a acidic solution. So students, if the solution is changing the red litmus paper into blue, then it is known as the basic solution. And if the solution is changing the blue litmus paper into red, then it is a acidic solution. And if the solution is not changing the red litmus paper into blue, neither it's changing the blue litmus paper into red, then then that solution will be a neutral solution. Okay, so in conclusion, acidic solution turns blue litmus into red, and basic substance will turn the red litmus into blue. So we already discussed about this. Okay, so number 2 is a turmeric as an indicator. So I think all of you know turmeric. What is turmeric? It's a haldi. Okay, so turmeric is a natural indicator obtained from the turmeric plant. So since it's obtained from a plant, so it's a natural indicator. Okay, it is used as an indicator in the form of turmeric paper. So it is used in the form of turmeric paper. We can prepare the turmeric paper as shown follows. As follows. Okay, take a tablespoon of turmeric powder. So you have to take a tablespoon of turmeric powder, add a little amount of alcohol and make a paste. So 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and you have to take little amount of alcohol and you have to make a paste. Then number B, spread the turmeric paste on a blotting paper or the filter paper and let it dry. So you have to spread the turmeric paste on the blotting paper or the filter paper, and you have to let it dry. Okay. So in number C, you see the yellow paper thus obtained is the turmeric paper. So this one is a turmeric paper. So cut thin stripes of the turmeric paper. So you have to cut thin stripes of the turmeric paper. You can use these thin stripes of the paper, turmeric paper, as an indicator. So you can cut its thin stripes and then you can use as an indicator. So bases turn yellow turmeric paper into red. So this if the solution is bases, then it will turn the yellow turmeric paper into red color. And acid and the neutral substance like the sugar solution, it will show no effect on the turmeric paper. Okay, so only the bases will turn the yellow turmeric paper on red color, and acid and the neutral substance will not turn it into any color, it will have no effect on the turmeric paper. So, yellow turmeric paper is an indicator to identify the basic solution. So, only it can be identify the basic solution. That means it is an indicator for identifying the basic solution. Okay. So, do you know turmeric is one of the constituent used while making the curry? Yeah, we all know that. You must have noticed that the yellow turmeric strains of curry on a white shirt turns red when it is washed with a soap. Yes, we have observed that. Yeah. This is because the soap solution is basic in nature that changes the yellow color of the turmeric into red. So I think this one is clear to you, students. I think you have observed that thing whenever you are eating anything and suppose the yellow turmeric, the curry that is having yellow turmeric powder in it, it will turn into red color whenever we wash it with a soap. Okay, students. So I think it's clear. This is because the soap solution is basic in nature and then it will change the yellow color of the turmeric into red color. So number 2, let's just understand the activity 2. To determine the nature of the given solution, basic, acidic or the neutral, using yellow turmeric powder. So now we are going to understand the nature of the solution, whether it's acidic, basic or the neutral, by using the yellow turmeric paper. The things needed are turmeric paper strips, a dropper, test tube, soap solution, aerated drink, shampoo solution, diluted hydrochloric acid solution, washing soda and diluted nitric acid solution. So all these things are required. So the method is, take the given soap solution to be tested in a test tube. So you have to take the soap solution in a test tube. Put a drop of the soap solution on the yellow turmeric paper strips with the help of a dropper. So you have to put a drop of the soap solution on the yellow turmeric paper strips which we have taken with the help of a dropper. So perform this activity with the given substance and record your observation. So you have to perform this with the given substances and we have to we have to record our observation. So the observations are the soap solution effect on yellow turmeric powder and inference. So the soap solution, it will change the yellow color to red. So the soap solution, we have already studied about this. The soap solution will change the yellow color into red because it's a basic solution. Okay. So the soap solution is a basic solution. So aerated drink, there will be no change in color. Okay. And the inference is acidic or neutral because we have already told that the acidic or there will be no effect of the yellow turmeric paper on the acids or the neutral solution. Okay, so that's why there is no change in color. So third one is a shampoo solution. In shampoo solution also there will be no effect in color because it is also a acidic or a neutral solution. In case of yellow turmeric powder, the color will be changing from yellow to red only in case of basic solution. Okay, if it is acidic or the neutral solution, then there will be no change in color. Number 4 is diluted hydrochloric acid solution. So there will also be no change in color if we put the yellow turmeric paper in it. Why? Because it is also a acidic or a neutral solution. So number 5 is a dilute nitric acid solution. Similarly, there will also be no change in color. Why? Because it is acidic or neutral solution. Last one is a washing soda solution. The washing soda solution will change the yellow color into red. So from here we come to know that it is a basic solution, because only the basic solution will change yellow color into red on adding the yellow turmeric paper. Okay students. So in conclusion, you see acidic and neutral substance have no effect on turmeric paper, whereas the basic substance turn turmeric paper into red. So I think it is clear to you. It's very interesting. So yeah, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. So today we also have a live streaming class. So here we will continue with the third point, that is China rose indicator. Okay students. And yeah, prepare very properly for exam, and yeah, write all the question number basically, and write your answer appropriately. Okay students. Thank you and have a good day.